Hey guys, today on Whiskey Wilderness we are going to be staining this brick. We want to make it look more realistic, have a lot more dimension, and not so manufactured. So we're going to be using a wood stain to do that, and a rag and a paintbrush. So stay tuned, it's going to be quite a video. So before we cover this, I want to talk to you guys a little bit about how we did our overall insulation on our walls. So if you watched our insulation video, you saw that we dropped in a 1 inch into the bottom and then a 2 inch into the top side. We have now taken the 1 inch, gone over top of all of that on the top side and another 1 inch on the bottom side to fill this in. This basically gives us an R12 on the bottom and an R19 on the top, which has proven to be extremely nice. About a 20-degree difference than it is at any given time of day. But in the winter, we actually tested it, and when we had a 28-degree day, it was about 50 degrees inside the bus. And the other day when it was about 96 out, it was around 80 in the bus. So considering that we don't have any AC or fans or anything like that going, basically the way that we did this, it completely eliminated a number of heat transfer areas. We're really happy with it. And the way that we did the framing, we have 3 posts that we can attach anything to in a given space in the bus, and we also have them up top as well. So yeah, I just wanted to share that with you guys before we covered this up, because we didn't really detail that in our insulation video, and I figured it'd probably be useful knowledge for you guys. And again, we used the R Max Thermosheath. We did 1 inch and 2 inch, and it's just been amazing. So check into it. It's a really great alternative to the general foam board that everyone uses, and it already has its own vapor barrier, which is nice, and it's been really great for the bus so far. So we're excited to see how it is once we move in. We decided to run panels over this whole space as it is our dinette and bar area. Some areas show and others don't. So this gave us the widest option for positions of our furniture in case we decided to change it up a little bit. Is hiding from the rain? It's a thunderstorm rolling in. Oh, Sunny, you hiding? Oh my gosh. Whoa.
Let me close the window.